Habibi, come to Dubai. Welcome guys back to another episode as I show you the facilities at the Kasco Towers. As soon as I woke up, I said, girl, get to the swimming pool. It was so nice and I got my view of the Burj Khalifa. Though I didn't get it from my room, I definitely got it from the swimming pool. So I was so excited. This place is amazing, guys, and this is a place you should come with your girls or somebody so you get to enjoy these facilities. I decided to go look at the facilities to see what more else was in store for us at the Kasco homes. So there is a gym area, so I was just checking out what is inside here. So I just discovered this is a bathroom for females. I think they have a two-sided one for men and women. So this was the ladies one. It has a sauna. So guys, I couldn't use the sauna, but I definitely wanted to. They have everything here. You just need to switch on everything and get started, like private sauna for yourself, because people hardly use this. So this place is always empty. I came last night and it was empty, so it's kind of like not so busy. So it's good because you don't get to worry yourself anyone sneaking in and stuff like that. So this whole gym area is the bathrooms. Yeah, those were the bathrooms for men, and the sauna as well. So everything is like organized here. Like there's a bathroom sauna for men, bathroom sauna for women. So this is the men's side. To do the sauna as well. Yeah, guys, I'm so far impressed. There's the shower areas for men. I think there's also like the same type of shower area for women. Let me check it out. Okay, this is the gym now. Everything you need. You can even bring your own equipment and your own training materials, or you can just use the ones that are provided by the facility. Pretty much everything you need. I think all the basics are in here, to get your quick workouts. They have the treadmills. Drama for the views. I think this was the best view at night. It was just giving all sorts of givings. I really liked this place at night. I don't know if it's the lighting. I don't even think the camera is doing justice to how amazing this place looked. Like, I mean, you can just have your dinner out here and feel like you're at a fine dining restaurant, but this is just at the back of your hotel room. Wow, I loved it so much. Wow, guys, I mean, I don't have any words for this atmosphere. Everything was breathtaking, like the whole lake vibes where all those boats and lights and buildings. It was just amazing to just think I just need to go downstairs and I have all of this, the pool area, the jacuzzi. I mean, like, you can just come here and have your drinks and just enjoy and just call it a night. Honestly, I don't think you would need to go anywhere else. So I went downstairs so I could have a view of the building from outside. This is the Kasco Tower. Like, this is another lounging place where you can wait when you arrive or when you're about to check out. Guys, I should say this is at the back. I was impressed. Like, I wish I stayed longer, but I had to go back home. I would definitely come back again. hopefully this time I get the view from my room of the Burj Khalifa, but I think it's not even worth it because this place is just amazing. So I was just taking a look at the areas just downstairs from the building. You get to take walks if you're someone that likes to run. There's this whole ramp where you can just run, and it's so private. They have all this like private I don't know what you call this type of ferry or something, where people just have dinner in the ferry. I just stood there watching all these beautiful boats and ferries just passing by. It was just amazing, guys. I would definitely come back here, and I would definitely recommend that you stay at the Kascos because the vibes outside, the vibes inside are definitely worth the price that you pay for the accommodation. And the environment, I mean, like the location, Business Bay Area is amazing. Like, it's peaceful, it's quiet, it's not so crazy and busy. It's just vibes, guys. Like, look at this. You would just be upstairs and you'd just be looking at all of this. And I would recommend that you try it next time you go to Dubai. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for my next video in Doha, Qatar, as we look at other amazing hotels.